Welcome to Global Village Montessori. My name is Miss Jessica, and today I'm going to show you a job from our practical life area. This job is our pouring job. You will find this in our classroom where we have 2 cups and a pitcher, and inside is filled with water, and we have our sponge if we spill, and we're able to clean it up with our sponge. On this side, I have some juice and a cup with my pitcher. This is what you will find at your house, and so I will show you this after, okay? So let's begin this lesson. Make sure when you have your pitcher, you hold it at the top and you use your other hand to support the bottom to make sure it doesn't fall, okay? All right. Let's begin. So this completes our lesson for pouring. Now we're going to move on to what you would find in your house. So you might not have these little cups and little pitchers at your house. You will most likely have one that looks similar to mine. It might not be the same, but very similar, okay? So you don't want to use a big pitcher because it might be hard for you to pour. This one is a little bit smaller, it might be easier for you. So my pitcher and my glass, and we don't want to use hot liquid because we don't want to burn ourselves, right? So we want to use things in our pitcher like water, juice, milk, those kinds of things that you can pour for yourself, right? When you're thirsty and you want to drink, you can go into the refrigerator, grab your pitcher of juice, grab your pitcher of milk or water, and you can pour it all by yourself. Or you can also pour it for your mommies and daddies or any family member or friends. So let's begin this one. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson today, and hopefully you will be able to do this at your house too, all by yourself, learning how to pour. And I can't wait to see you next time. Goodbye.